Planned quiet night turned into intense negotiations. Stick around, we had an interesting night. Sawadee krup, my Thai culture vultures and kathoeys. We start the night at Moo's bar on Soi Buakhao. This is Moo and her friendly staff. They'll look after you with cold beer, games of pool, and friendly conversation on geopolitical trends in Europe and the US, and multinational company taxation policy. They have firm views on the abuse of company transfer pricing if you wish to inquire. If you ask nicely, like we did, they'll go get you some food, even do some cooking for you while you're enjoying the free pool and cheap cold beer. Always good to line the stomach at the start of the evening. The plan was for a gentle night, but as can happen in Pattaya, what starts as a quiet and reserved night can easily turn into a drunken, debaucherous mess. The kind of night where you wake up in the morning missing a kidney, or with half your large intestine dangling from your rectum, or even worse. Wait, there's something even worse?
We can go to the zoo or something.
I think we're there.
So come join us on tonight's journey. The host Moo is looking after us. Palm reading expert, predicting a bar fine in her future. The guy's a genius. Moo and co are happy to sink some balls with you. The latest in Pattaya die games. Even slightly intoxicated Farangs can master it.
Cheers.
Cheers to Farang willing to part with coin.
He's getting all the love wheels tonight.
Yeah. Like the big fella.
Yeah.
Men on a mission, a peace mission, already thinking about round 2 of Gaza peace negotiations at Soi 7. If you missed it, you better check out round 1 of negotiations, link in description.
Get alone to try and get away with this stuff. No way.
The woke wouldn't be able to come.
Not a second thought given to jumping into one of these bars off Soi Buakhao.
That's what I find hilarious.
Right, she's signalling 5 agenda items for discussion. Either that or we just bought her 5 lady drinks. There's our chief negotiator.
Oh no!
Yikes, this girl needs to look after her health. It's bad enough that her employment arrangement encourages alcoholism. Lefty working extra hard on peace negotiations. Right, she's definitely happy with the breakthrough in negotiations. I have no idea what this means, but I don't think she's thinking about the Gaza issue anymore. Whoa, Lefty definitely wanting to open up the Rafah crossing tonight. Right, we're going to call it quits now. Probably got as far as we can with tonight's negotiations. Stay tuned for plenty more on this Pattaya trip. But for now, and as usual, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet.